Okay guys, so this box and stuff here, these boxes of stuff here, and a lot of cardboard boxes up there. Sorry we didn't fill the house. We didn't get to fill it, guys. Like my game plan was to fill up, and it didn't really pan out too good. So this is the following video from the storage unit. We're gonna go through this box right here, right now, with you. We didn't go through this box before. Sorry for the camera. It's just like a rose or something dried. I'm not into all that stuff. Some kind of skeleton here, guys. Oh wow, that's pretty big. I didn't know. I didn't know. Let me get this out, guys. Oh, I think there's two of these. So this is like a bride or something, guys. Hold on. Wow, this thing freaking fits this creepy shed for sure, guys. Look at that. What do you say? What's that? Huh? What's that? You want to give me hugs? Huh? Shake your hand? Okay. What are you saying? What you saying there? Huh? What you saying, huh? Get that scrap! Ha 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 ha. I got that scrap, that's for sure. Alright, what else we got here? Got some Halloweeny stuff here. Halloweeny stuff, guys. Spiders and all kinds of stuff on there. Oh, shoot. I see another one. Guys, I see another skull here, so let's see if we get this stuff. What you say there? Get that scrap. Alright, trick or treat. I guess you fooled me, because you could talk. Wow, not another one of you. You think you could get rid of me, huh? Hold on, let me set this one up too. I'm going to put it over here. So we saw these. This is garbage. It's all shot. There's no sense in doing any. We got a little pumpkin candle. Something I could use. Oh, what's this little thing here, guys? That's pretty cool. That's like what's on top of my little car here. Let's see what this does. Hold on. What'd you say? She said something, guy. I heard a whisper, guys. Hi there, hi there. Come here. What? What are you talking about? Get that scrap. Wow, what the heck? Are you kidding me? You're kind of scary. Well, there's two of me, you know. Huh? Look behind you, get that scrap. What? No. Hey, this is a lot of fun, guys, for $9. Howdy. Hello, get that scrap. What you doing? It's my mama. Oh, just took her out of the box. Was I in the box too? Yes, you were. Okay, guys. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. And what are we gonna say, guys? Get that scrap. All right. Okay, I gotta put you away now, guys. Got work to do. Get in your box. Hey, guys. Just want to point out, this is what we found, but two of them. Let's see how much they cost. These are a little more shinier and stuff, but we can shine them up a little bit. If I can get out of here, okay. Well, this one's $29 and $11 shipping. So it'll be $30, $40, $41, $42. Let's take a look at the other one. Right there. $45 and $10.20 shipping. To round it off, $55 to $45. Somewhere in that price range, and we got two of them. Okay guys, so here they are. I added this dome to it. They do need a little bit cleaning up here. Especially this one. It's got quite a bit of a surface there that needs to be just these were coated with a teal or something like that, but I think they're better off just shining them up a little bit and seeing what we could get for them. Say you could put kerosene in these, but I'm not really sure about that. I would say oil lamp, very good oil lamps. And I'm just going to show you a little bit more. They hang on one screw right here. That screw holds a screw. So let me see here. Let me see if I can display this a little bit for y'all. I don't think it's going to want to go in the screw, so I won't be able to really display it too good. They're vintage, guys. What do you want, right? So we made some money. We're going to make some money on these, on the storage unit for 10 bucks. I'll leave that up there for now, guys, so I'm ready to use it. I don't know what this bottle is. There was some change in there. Not sure what. 90. How about all those pennies we got out of here? I don't understand this. It must talk. So it has that there. Made in China. I guess it... I don't know what this back piece does here. Maybe a button. Maybe this turns. I don't know anything about it, guys. But, however, we did get a lot of old photography. And I'll put all this in one lot and sell it. Scrap metal. Wow, look at that. It's like Germany or something. Missouri Valley College. It's just all this kind of stuff. But there's stuff in here, guys. I don't know what is in there. Paper of some kind of... I don't know, maybe a note? Maybe a money pack? I don't know. Another old photographer. Look at this photograph. So there's some stuff in there that's worth a little bit of money, guys. But, whoa. A lot of this stuff's gonna probably be like flea market stuff, but this is pretty cool. Liberty Bell, guys. I didn't see that crack in there. This is the Liberty Bell. Probably sold at the Liberty Bell museum thing that went down there. So we'll get this spray painted, take it off the wood, paint everything, put it back together. It's gonna look really nice. I think it's gonna sell. A solid brass bell. That'll sell nice. Live, love, and laugh candle, guys. Oh, that's sweating. Look at that. That's how hot it is out here. This will just go inside. I'll take that inside with me. So, you know, a few odds and ends. I don't even know what this stupid thing is here. A cup for your car. It's probably filthy, I'd imagine. Oh, yeah. Look at that, guys. Look how dirty. Shoot. Dirty ashtray right there. Oh, yeah. Put that right in the trash, guys. No interest in that at all. What's up, guys? It's Smash that like button. Subscribe. Ring that bell so you get my next video. Like, I'm going to have a couple more parts of this. And then we're going to go to a car auction. And I'm going to tell you all about that once we get there. And, you know, once I get the car home, I'm going to go over the car a little bit, explain some things, and show you where you could get one. Alright? In your area. So, subscribe, smash the like button, hit all notifications. This way you get all my videos coming up.